What if I told you that Samsung is making its boldest move yet with the Galaxy S26 Ultra? One massive upgrade that could change everything, and one controversial decision that might have fans up in arms. Leaks are swirling, speculation is heating up, and if these rumors are true, Samsung's next flagship might be the most divisive Ultra yet. But is it a game changer or a deal breaker? Let's dive in. The Galaxy S25 Ultra has barely settled into users' hands, yet the tech world is already buzzing about the S26 Ultra. Early leaks suggest Samsung is shaking things up, big time. The most exciting upgrade? A potential 5,500 mAh battery using cutting-edge stacked battery technology. If this is true, Samsung may finally be addressing one of the biggest complaints about its Ultra lineup: battery life that lags behind some competitors. Think about it. A bigger battery without adding bulk. More screen time, less worrying about hitting that 1% panic zone before the day ends. Sounds great, right? But hold on, because there's a twist. In what might be a shocking move, Samsung is reportedly removing one of the rear cameras from the S26 Ultra. Yes, you heard that right. Instead of 4 rear cameras, leaks suggest the S26 Ultra will feature only 3. A 200-megapixel main sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and another 200-megapixel 4x zoom lens. And the missing piece? The periscope zoom camera. Now, before you start composing an angry tweet, there's a catch. Samsung could be implementing variable aperture technology on the main sensor, which means the camera can adjust its aperture based on lighting conditions. This could, in theory, reduce the need for a separate periscope lens. But will it be enough? Some users might love the cleaner design and improved camera software. Others? Well, die-hard zoom fans might feel like they're losing a major selling point. And if history tells us anything, Samsung's design choices always spark debate. Remember when they removed the headphone jack? Yeah, people still haven't gotten over that. But wait, there's a silver lining. Samsung could be bringing back a fan-favorite feature: Bluetooth support for the S Pen. Last year's S25 Ultra ditched it, leaving power users disappointed. But if the leaks are true, the S26 Ultra could restore Bluetooth functionality, making it once again a powerhouse for presentations, remote photos, and air gestures. So, where does that leave us? On one hand, we have a game-changing battery, a refined camera system, and the return of a beloved S Pen feature. On the other, the potential loss of a dedicated zoom lens raises questions. Samsung is still testing prototypes, meaning nothing is final. But these leaks suggest the company is making bold decisions. Will Samsung's risk pay off? Or will this be a move they regret? One thing's for sure: the S26 Ultra is shaping up to be one of the most talked about phones of the year. Now here's the real question. Would you trade a periscope zoom for a bigger battery and smarter camera tech? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you want to see another major Samsung shakeup, check out my video on the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Because this time, Samsung might have actually nailed it. Click here, and I'll see you there.